Imagine a force so immense that it's pulling our entire galaxy toward it, an invisible cosmic mystery lurking in the depths of the universe. Scientists have detected this anomaly, but they don't fully understand what it is. Is it a monstrous black hole? A hidden superstructure of galaxies? Or something beyond our understanding of physics? Stay tuned as we unravel this cosmic enigma. Deep in the universe, beyond the reach of our most powerful telescopes, lies an enigmatic region known as the Great Attractor. This gravitational anomaly is pulling galaxies, including our own Milky Way, toward it at an astonishing speed of 600 km per second. But here's the mystery: we can't see it. It's hidden behind the dense star clouds of the Milky Way, in a region called the Zone of Avoidance. Scientists suspect it contains a concentration of galaxies and dark matter, warping space itself. But is the Great Attractor truly the final destination? Or is something even more powerful at work? If the Great Attractor wasn't mysterious enough, recent studies suggest that it might not be the ultimate force pulling us in. Further beyond, a colossal gravitational structure called the Shapley supercluster exerts an even stronger influence. This massive cluster, made up of thousands of galaxies, is thought to contain more mass than the Great Attractor. Could it be that the Great Attractor is merely a stepping stone on our journey toward Shapley? And if so, what lies beyond it? Scientists believe there's still something even greater affecting our motion, something we haven't yet identified. What if the force pulling us isn't even from our own universe? In 2008, astronomers detected a strange motion of galaxy clusters, which they called the dark flow. Unlike normal gravitational attraction, this flow suggests an external influence, something beyond what we can observe. Some theories suggest it could be a remnant of another universe pressing against ours. Others believe it might be a giant megastructure of unseen dark matter. Whatever it is, the dark flow challenges our understanding of cosmology and raises a shocking possibility: the universe might be much larger than we ever imagined. If our galaxy is being pulled toward an unknown force, will we eventually collide with something? The answer isn't simple. Our motion through space is affected by multiple gravitational sources: Andromeda, the Great Attractor, Shapley, and even larger structures we haven't mapped yet. Some theories suggest that in billions of years, our galaxy might end up in a colossal galactic merger, forming an unimaginably massive supercluster. Others speculate we may be pulled into a dark void, vanishing forever. The truth is, we don't yet know what awaits us. While the Great Attractor and Shapley supercluster are massive, they are just parts of a much larger cosmic structure called the Laniakea supercluster. This is our galactic address, containing over 100,000 galaxies, including the Milky Way. Laniakea, meaning immense heaven in Hawaiian, spans over 500 million light-years. But here's where things get even weirder. Laniakea itself is moving towards something even bigger, an unknown force pulling all of us deeper into the cosmic unknown. Galaxies are not scattered randomly. They form a vast, interconnected structure called the cosmic web filaments of galaxies and dark matter stretching across the universe. These filaments act like highways, guiding matter toward enormous gravity wells, such as the Great Attractor. But who or what arranged the universe this way? Scientists believe dark matter plays a key role in this structure, but its nature remains one of the biggest mysteries in physics. Dark matter makes up about 85% of the universe's mass, yet it remains completely invisible. It doesn't emit or absorb light, making it undetectable except through its gravitational effects. Scientists think the unknown force pulling our galaxy may be connected to an immense concentration of dark matter. Could we be heading toward a dark matter superstructure? Or is there something even more exotic awaiting us? The universe is not just expanding, it's accelerating. This acceleration is driven by another unknown force: dark energy. While dark matter pulls galaxies together, dark energy pushes them apart. If dark energy dominates the universe, why are we being pulled toward an unknown force? Could it be that this force is so powerful it overcomes even dark energy's expansion? Some physicists suggest our universe is just one of many. If parallel universes exist, could their gravity be affecting us? Some speculative theories suggest we could be moving toward a massive structure in a neighboring universe, influencing our motion through a hidden connection. If this is true, we may be on the verge of discovering the first real evidence of a multiverse. Our galaxy is on a collision course with Andromeda, but what if this unknown force changes our path? Some simulations suggest that strong gravitational forces could alter the Milky Way's trajectory, pulling us into a completely different galactic merger. Could the entire future of our galaxy be rewritten by this unseen force? Scientists use radio telescopes, X-ray observatories, and gravitational wave detectors to scan the universe. However, the force pulling us remains elusive. If it's hidden behind the dense region of the Milky Way, we may need next-generation space telescopes to finally see what's out there. Will the James Webb Space Telescope or future observatories uncover the truth? Does this force pose a threat to Earth? In the short term, no. But in billions of years, if this force continues to pull galaxies together, we could see dramatic cosmic collisions or even a new phase of universal evolution. Could this unknown force be the beginning of a massive event that reshapes everything? Throughout history, many civilizations have spoken of powerful cosmic forces. Hindu texts discuss a cyclical universe, while Mayan astronomy hinted at cosmic alignments. Could ancient civilizations have had an intuitive understanding of the forces guiding our universe? What if the unknown force is the gravitational pull of a colossal black hole? While black holes are typically only a few times the mass of the Sun, some supermassive black holes can be billions of times more massive. Could there be an undiscovered hypermassive black hole guiding our galaxy's movement? Some scientists propose that, in the far future, all galaxies may merge into a single enormous structure, a supergalaxy. If true, the force pulling us could be the beginning of this process. Could we be witnessing the birth of a new era in cosmic evolution? On a human timescale, this force won't change much. However, on cosmic timescales, it will determine where our galaxy ends up. Could this journey eventually change the very conditions that sustain life on Earth? Some scientists believe quantum mechanics could explain this force. Could quantum entanglement between cosmic structures be influencing the universe on a grand scale? If so, this force might not be physical in the traditional sense. It could be a quantum phenomenon beyond our current understanding. Advanced extraterrestrial civilizations might already understand this force. If intelligent beings exist beyond Earth, have they mapped out these gravitational flows? Could they have already harnessed these forces for intergalactic travel? Some theories suggest that if dark energy becomes too strong, it could rip apart galaxies, stars, and even atoms in an event known as the Big Rip. Could the force we're moving toward be related to this ultimate fate of the universe? New missions, like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and Einstein probe, could help us map the unknown regions of space. If we can finally see beyond the zone of avoidance, we may uncover the true nature of this force. What if our calculations are incorrect? Could our motion be influenced by an entirely new phenomenon we have yet to name? If so, we may need a new theory of gravity to explain our universe's true nature. In the grand cosmic play, we're just one small part of a massive unfolding mystery. The journey of our galaxy is like a river flowing toward an unknown destination. Where will it lead us? The force pulling our galaxy is one of the biggest unanswered questions in astrophysics. Will we uncover the truth in our lifetime? Or is this a mystery that future generations will have to solve? Some physicists speculate that we could be experiencing the gravitational pull of a hidden universe. A mirror universe where dark matter dominates could be interacting with our cosmos in ways we don't yet understand. Could we be moving toward an enormous structure that exists outside of our visible dimensions? Gravitational waves are ripples in spacetime, caused by massive cosmic events. If a powerful external force is affecting our galaxy, it might leave behind a detectable gravitational wave signature. Scientists are now using detectors like LIGO and Virgo to search for these hidden signals. Could the answer be hidden in these waves? One of the most astonishing discoveries in cosmology is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, the largest structure ever detected, spanning over 10 billion light-years. It is so vast that it defies our current models of the universe. Could this be what's pulling us? And if so, what lies beyond it? Theoretical physicist Freeman Dyson once suggested that advanced civilizations could manipulate entire galaxies. Could we be witnessing the effects of a type I civilization, one capable of harnessing the energy of entire star systems? If so, what would their purpose be? A white hole is the opposite of a black hole, a region of space where matter and energy are explosively ejected instead of being pulled in. Some radical theories suggest we could be heading toward a cosmic-scale white hole, a remnant from the birth of the universe itself. If we can determine the nature of this force, it could revolutionize space exploration. Could future spacecraft use gravitational currents to travel vast cosmic distances? Understanding these forces may be the key to unlocking interstellar travel. So far, this unknown force has primarily been studied on a galactic scale, but could it also impact our solar system? Some scientists believe these gravitational shifts could subtly affect planetary orbits over millions of years, possibly altering Earth's climate or even the fate of our Sun. Despite its vast complexity, the universe seems to follow a set of intricate patterns. Is our movement toward this unknown force part of a grander cosmic design? Some scientists suggest that hidden laws of physics could explain why galaxies align the way they do. With upcoming telescopes like the Square Kilometer Array, SKA, and LUVOIR, we may finally get a clearer picture of the zone of avoidance and beyond. Could these technologies help us solve one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology? What happens when we reach the source of this gravitational pull? Will we collide with an enormous structure, or will we pass through some unknown cosmic boundary? Scientists are still debating what the final destination of this movement could be. Black holes are some of the most powerful objects in the universe. Some theories suggest we could be moving toward an undiscovered supermassive black hole so enormous that its gravitational influence stretches across billions of light years. On Earth, tectonic plates shift and reshape continents. What if the universe itself operates in a similar way? Some astrophysicists theorize that the universe moves like a fluid, constantly changing and creating new cosmic formations. Could we be witnessing a cosmic river leading to an unknown destination? Could a new form of exotic matter be responsible for this unknown force? Scientists have proposed the existence of negative mass, a bizarre material that repels rather than attracts. Could such strange physics be guiding our cosmos to navigate the universe in ways we cannot yet comprehend? If so, could this force be a shortcut to other galaxies? With each discovery, we move closer to answering this grand mystery. Could the next breakthrough in astrophysics finally reveal the true nature of this force? Or will it open up even more questions about the deepest secrets of the universe? Some scientists have proposed that the universe itself behaves like a living entity. Galaxies, like cells, form clusters and filaments, moving in coordinated patterns. Could this unknown force be a natural part of a larger, self-organizing cosmic system, one that evolves like a living organism? What if our universe has a mirror counterpart made of antimatter or some unknown substance? Some physicists suggest that a parallel universe could be exerting a gravitational force on us, subtly pulling our galaxy toward its own cosmic structures. Could this be evidence of a dual universe system? Black holes are normally found at the centers of galaxies, but what if an exceptionally large black hole was ejected from its home and is now drifting through space? Could our galaxy be unknowingly moving toward an unstable singularity, one that could eventually could we be moving toward a supercivilization's construct, one large enough to influence galactic motion? Magnetic monopoles, hypothetical particles that act as isolated north or south magnetic poles, are thought to have existed in the early universe. Could an immensely powerful magnetic force be responsible for our motion? If so, we may have just found a missing piece of fundamental physics. Some scientists suggest that the motion of galaxies isn't linear but follows a spiral vortex pattern, much like water swirling down a drain. If we are caught in a gigantic cosmic whirlpool, could this force be leading us toward an unknown gravitational sink? Time and gravity are deeply connected. Some theories suggest that massive cosmic structures could be distorting time itself, creating a flow that influences the movement of galaxies. Could we be heading toward a region where time behaves differently, affecting our perception of motion? Astronomers are now using AI to analyze cosmic structures. Could machine learning algorithms help identify patterns that humans have missed? Could an advanced AI system predict our final destination and unravel the biggest mystery in astrophysics? While this unknown force operates on a galactic scale, could its effects eventually reach our solar system? If gravity shifts over billions of years, could this change Earth's orbit and climate, altering the future of life itself? Throughout history, humans have redefined their understanding of the cosmos from the heliocentric model to relativity. Could this unknown force be the next breakthrough in cosmic science, revealing a new era of discovery? What if this force is not a natural phenomenon, but a form of communication? Could extraterrestrials be manipulating gravitational waves to send messages across the cosmos? If so, could we decode them and finally make contact? Einstein's theory of general relativity has stood the test of time, but what if it doesn't tell the full story? Could this force indicate that a new gravitational theory is needed, one that explains phenomena we haven't even imagined yet? Some theories suggest that our universe is connected to others through cosmic bridges. If this unknown force is pulling us toward one, could we be on the path to crossing into another reality? There are limits to human perception. Some physicists suggest that the true nature of the universe might be beyond our comprehension. Could this unknown force be something our brains are not equipped to understand? If this force is predictable, could it be used as a natural highway for intergalactic travel? Could future spacecraft harness its power to reach distant galaxies faster than ever imagined? The more we learn about the cosmos, the more it seems fine-tuned. Could this unknown force be a part of a much larger cosmic pattern, one designed to guide galaxies into specific formations? Some scientists speculate that this force may be the beginning of a universal collapse. Could this be the first sign of the Big Crunch, where the universe reverses its expansion and begins to collapse in on itself? When we observe large-scale cosmic structures, galaxies seem to follow distinct paths. Could this unknown force be part of a grand cosmic map, guiding celestial bodies toward a destination yet unknown? If so, who or what created this path? If we're being pulled by a massive structure, why haven't we observed any gravitational slowdown? In most cases, objects eventually decelerate when affected by gravity. Could this mean we're not just being pulled but propelled? What if we are witnessing the formation of something new in the universe, something never seen before? Could this force be the first evidence of a fundamental shift in cosmic evolution, altering the structure of space-time itself? Some physicists suggest that multiple dimensions beyond our own may exist. Could this force be a gateway to a hidden dimension, one that influences our universe in ways we can barely detect? Dark energy is one of the most mysterious aspects of the universe, responsible for its accelerating expansion. Could this unknown force be a local concentration of dark energy, shaping the movements of galaxies in an unexpected way? Neutrinos and cosmic rays travel at nearly the speed of light, originating from distant parts of the universe. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blisovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blisovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.